what matrices do struggling seller obsess over that actually distract them from real growth? What do you think?
I tell you which are the metrics that we're seeing top brands are doing that our non-top brands are doing. They are business people. I know it sounds cruel. I know this sounds cruel, but they understand business. They understand the cost of marketing. They understand the cost of I have to be a good business operator in order to able and empower you to become a great support. I think that is one of the things that I'm seeing right now. And take it from me as 5 years ago, starting my own brand from music production mindset, this arty-farty person who's like, "Oh, everything is sparkly, to now me talking to you. So I get it. I'm starting from there. I understand that you cannot have this knowledge of, oh, you understand business. But I'm saying that is the competitive advantage that Amazon has. That is the competitive advantage that your top competitors had. Probably they got it right, understanding your numbers and understand how they work. And also to be realistic. Because if you have the goal of selling $150,000 per month, you're currently at $50,000. How realistic is for you to get there? Because if we're not working backwards, you're going to put up unrealistic goals. I'm not saying don't dream big. I'm saying dream big and understand what it takes. So it takes inventory, money for inventory. So that is something that you have to have. It takes money for advertising. It takes also good operation system. When things go wrong, what is the next step that you're going to do? What is really important is whoever I hired so far, do they have the skill set for you to have with that? Because sometimes you might think that it adds the skill set and it is not. Maybe it's coupons, maybe promotion, maybe a lightning deal. Hey, I saw that your A+ content and whatever you're selling, you're talking to an audience that is like 20 years old. Your product is for mid-age menopausal women. I think that is really important because otherwise, if you are going to just execute, you're taking out thinking. Now, taking out thinking is a super important thing that is very helpful for executing. But if you're taking out thinking out a strategy, this is what I see right now because I'm following lots of important people. And that's what I'm seeing. Everyone knows their number. Everyone understands business impact. So even if you're a small seller, think like a big seller and then execute it on your small brand. That would be the best advice that I wish someone would give me 5 years ago.